Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is monthly health, career, and finances reading. hmm For all the Aries for the month of December 2025. I'm overwhelmed. This is the last month of 2025. It's kind of making me a little bit overwhelmed. Overwhelmed. What an year, Baba. Anyways, this might or might not resonate. I'm not a medical practitioner. I'm just reading the energies. I'm not a career counselor. I'm just reading the energies. Please use common sense while watching journal videos on YouTube. Okay. And for personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. Let's start. For the health, for your health, Aries, for this month, let's see what we have for Aries people for the health for this month. The devil, you guys have to leave the addictions. You have this tendency to overdo something. If you're already addicted to something, it can be alcohol, it can be, sweets, it can be a simple thing of just being lazy and not taking care of your health. This addiction can lead to some kind of major trouble in your health. So beware of those kind of energies or things or situations that you're addicted to. Maybe you're addicted to your phone. Doesn't matter what you're addicted to. When I'm talking to you about this particular thing, you know it. So any kind of addiction to anything is going to cause health issues for you guys. You guys have to work on it. Wow. If by any chance you have addiction to sex or sexual activities, that can also create sexually issues for you guys. Please keep that in mind. So any kind of addiction in any way regarding your health is going to create issues in your health. Please beware of this energy. The guidance is Ace of Pentacles. You have to have a clean, sorted, disciplined lifestyle. You have to let go of this addiction. Otherwise, this is going to create very difficult to deal with kind of health issues in the coming futures. You guys need help. You guys feel like taking help. You should take help. You guys feel like having a brand new beginning, having a clean slate. This is the right time for you to do that. Otherwise, I do see some kind of irreversible problems can also happen. Right? Please keep that in mind. If you are doing job, let's see for those of you who are doing job, how it is going to be for you guys. Doing job or working for others. Nine of Swords. It's like Aries, it's going to be sleepless nights, anxious thoughts. There is going to be stressful environment around your work, but you're overthinking, you not being able to, keep your thoughts and keep your mind stable is going to create some more issues. See, if you're having shifts or you're overworking, there might be some kind of trouble in your sleeping thing, and you are going to get some kind of anxious energies. You might be creating scenarios and stories in your mind that might be never going to be true, but it's like something in your work area is keeping you up at night, and it's heavy and troublesome. What's wrong, honey? What's happening? I don't know. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Justice. You guys have to talk to somebody about whatever is happening in your work area. You guys have to figure out a balance between your personal and professional life. If timing is the issue, not being able to sleep properly is the issue, it is creating health issues, your work thing, then you have to figure out a balance between your personal and professional life, because it's not like worth it. Okay, if something in your work environment is toxic or negative or unhealthy, you guys have to figure it out. You guys have to talk to somebody about it and do the right thing from your side. Take the initiative from your side to make things right for your work environment. Otherwise, it's going to be very stressful for you to deal with. Okay, let's see for those of you who are self-employed or doing their business, how it is going to be for you guys. The Empress, your business is going to grow in leaps and bounds, especially from 3rd of August onwards. Things are going to move forward in a very, very beautiful way. There is going to be a lot of potential of growth and expansion. You might be able to grow your business like globally, or you might be able to add some kind of global service to your business, and it's going to help you a lot in moving forward in your business in a very, very positive way. So I do see your business thing growing in a very, very positive way. From your side, do whatever it takes to start giving, like start adding one more skill, one more, what we call that. Mm. So whatever addition you are trying to do in your business thing, you can do that, because it's going to give you a lot of growth and expansion and name and fame also. So a lot of success and victory is coming forward in your business thing. If you're self-employed or have your own business, it's really going to be beautiful for you guys. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys. I'm going to keep it very short, simple, and precise. There's no use of forcibly extending the videos. Death and rebirth. Okay, the guidance here is you might have tried a lot of things before as well. Okay, and now you know what you should do and what you should not do. Okay, learn from your experiences, Aries. You have definitely done so many things in your business thing before as well, and now you know very well from inside what you should do and what you should not do, that what is going to work for you and what is not going to work for you. So do not take unnecessary risk, and there are things that didn't work out before. Beware of repeating the same mistakes again. Even if you are relaunching the same product or something, beware of like making the same mistakes again that you have done previously as well. Okay, that's the deal here. Let's see what we have for those of you who are seeking for a new job or starting a new business. New job seekers or new business thing, like, right, even if you are doing it like the second time or you are a fresher, let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Aries. Star. So you guys are going to, after like nearby 17th of December, there are very good chances of you getting an opportunity, very optimistic, very positive and hopeful kind of opportunity to get a new job opportunity if you are looking forward to have that. If you are looking forward to start your business thing, there are there are very good chances of you being able to start your business thing after 15th of December, nearby 15th to 17th of December. Now do whatever it takes from your side in order to reach to the point of grabbing this opportunity. It's not like you're just sitting on your ass and doing nothing about it. It's not going to like come to like your house or somebody's going to ring a bell and like, yeah, I'm here. Okay, it's not like that. So there is going to be opportunity for you to move forward in your job thing or business thing, but you have to work for it. Okay, remain optimistic and positive and keep working from your side. There are very good chances of you hitting the jackpot in this area of your life nearby mid of December. It can of course it can happen before as well, but just a tentative timeline, or after also. A little bit up or down energies can happen, because the human timeline is totally different from the universal timeline. Let's see the guidance here. Page of Swords. Okay, you should keep on learning new things, learning new skills, adding new skills to your resume, adding new skills to your own life, like your business thing. So you have to keep moving forward as per the new trends. You have to learn the new trends. You have to learn, maybe for example, AI. These things are trending these days. So keep on working on yourself, keep on upgrading your skills, keep on adding new skills to your resume, to your business thing, and it will help you a lot in moving forward in much faster and positive ways. And keep your social media game up, whether you are a fresher or doing it the second, third, fourth time, doesn't matter. Your social media game is going to help you a lot in grabbing the right kind of opportunities, especially for business people. For job people who are seeking for job or work, you guys can have a proper LinkedIn profile, and you guys can get reviews from other people also. And if you're totally fresher, then also you can keep your college thing or degrees and everything updated somewhere, wherever it is important, on websites and portals. Okay, let's say about your finances for this month, Aries. Five of Pentacles. You might go through some kind of financial losses. I don't see a major loss happening that's going to, like, oh my God, make you feel like this is the end of the world or something. But there might be slight uh, mm, I don't see loss, to be honest with you. I think this is going to be, the financial growth is not happening as per your expectations, right? Maybe you will not be able to save as much as you want to. Maybe your investments are not going to give you the results as you're expecting it to give, right? So there can be a sense of, okay, I'm not getting what I want. There can be a sense of, oh my God, this is not as expected. That kind of energy I'm seeing for. And for some of you, it might be like, if you are going to spend your money on stupid things, or invest your money in things that you should not be doing, then you might face some kind of losses there. So beware of where you are going to spend your and invest your money. Okay, that is very, very important for this month for you guys. Okay, let's see the guidance here, Aries. Seven of Swords, right? The guidance here is, do not reveal your financial status or your money status, or do not reveal too much about your money, about your finances to anyone. Do not trust anyone blindly. Somebody might try to steal from you in some way, maybe not directly, but maybe they will convince you to invest in something, or they will convince you to give them some money, or they will convince you to, save your money in their account or something like that. So beware of some kind of people around you, energies around you, who are trying to just deceive you and trying to steal from you. Yeah. So please save your money, keep your money safe, uh, keep your account safe. I mean to say, just don't reveal anything about your money or financial status to uh, the people. Maybe you blindly trust someone regarding this, right? Don't over trust anybody when it comes to your financial status or money thing. Wow. Some kind of fraud or scam can happen. It might be very small one, but it is going to give you a major lesson in life. So, okay, while investing, while saving, while giving your money to someone, please be aware of all the legalities, and don't do stupid stuff that you should not be doing, Aries, because it's not going to go in your favor. I don't think so. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.